Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you on how to set strategies in SQL Vision. Imagine a business aiming to achieve 10,000 ringgit in sales by January 2025. The team uses SQL Vision to manage daily targets and sync data effectively. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to ensure everything runs smoothly. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in as a manager in SQL Vision. This is essential to access the company configuration settings. Start by opening the SQL Vision app on your mobile device. On the top right corner, you'll see a human icon. Tap on it. This will take you to the company configuration menu. After clicking the icon, we select company configuration. In company configuration, you'll find the closing period and estimated payout day settings. The closing period determines how many days you can edit your daily target data. For example, if the closing period is set to 2 days and today is January 24th, 2025, you are able to sync updated data between January 23rd, 2025 and January 22nd, 2025. Anything earlier than that, like January 21st, 2025, it cannot update any amended data into the SQL Vision. Next, set the estimated payout day. This is the payment date for achieving targets, ensuring timely recognition for your team's efforts. After that, we go to strategy. By default, the system provides two types of strategies, invoice-based strategy and collection-based strategy. The default first strategy, invoice-based strategy, which tracks sales performance based on billing. Next, the second default strategy, collection-based strategy, which monitors performance based on payment receipts. Based on the strategies, providing a structured framework for aligning SQL accounting data with your team's goals. With these strategies in place, you've set a strong foundation to track performance and drive results effectively.